So my name's Ryan Sowney, and I studied at Worcester College of Technology. I studied travel and tourism whilst I was there. I knew that I didn't want to go to a sixth form college. I was had enough of the school environment, and after doing a open evening down at the Tech, which is what I always call it, it just felt that it was more for me. It was a lot more laid back. There were no bells ringing. I think the biggest one was probably public speaking. So we pretty much did weekly, if not daily, presentations, and the skills of public speaking, I think, really gave me confidence to then go into the travel industry. All the skills that I learned at college, with it being the public speaking, and then there were so many different varied lessons. So I had marketing that I did, how to set up a travel agency business, worldwide destinations, insurance, foreign exchange. So it was a really well-rounded program, which gave me skills in lots of different areas that when I came to the end of the course, I could go anywhere within the travel industry because I'd learned the whole thing. I'm currently the deputy manager at Arrange My Escape in Malvern. When I was at college, I did I think it was the Travel and Tourism Diploma, because I didn't quite get the grades that I needed to go on the Advanced National Diploma. But when I did go on to the Advanced, they let me do a night class for free. So I ended up doing resort representatives, which is not something I ever thought I was going to do. And it was actually the lecturer at the time that pushed me to apply for a job. And I actually did a season in between college overseas. Really fell in love with it. I worked in France for my first summer. Really loved the job. And then when college finished, I went back out for a second season and did that. Came back home, and then kind of got stuck at Tesco's for a little bit, which is really random. But that is where I learnt a lot of sales skills, because I worked for Tesco Mobile. And then I just got fed up and I wanted the sun. So I applied to be a resort representative with Thomas Cook. And it was really fortunate when I came back to the UK, Arrange My Escape was just opening. So I applied. And because of all of the the course that I had with travel and tourism and the qualifications, and then all the experience I had with traveling around, I was a perfect candidate for it. So it's just been amazing since then. We've won, I think this year alone, we've won 11 awards, which is just phenomenal. A couple of weeks ago, I won High Street Agent of the Year for the UK and Ireland, which just completely blew my mind. But everything stems back from travel and tourism that I started.